Hey everyone, it's Bonnie. I am back today with my March Glossybox that came like so early. It's funny because I just canceled them because I'm kind of focusing on Bath and Body Works and Lush. I did keep BoxyCharm and Ipsy, but I like Glossybox. They're $21 a month, but I just felt like I was getting like on product overload of a lot of stuff that I really wasn't using. So I'm just going to go through this box. First up, I see a really huge full-size product, which is always cool. This is the Defend Purifying Cleanser. It is a $26 value. So if this is something that you like, this is definitely a good deal. Look, it's got like a what kind of top does it have? It's got a lid. Oh my gosh, did I just break it? I think I just broke it. How the heck does this stuff come out? Oh, it's got look, it okay. Look at this. It pops off like this. That's kind of interesting. So I don't know if you're supposed to shake it. Is it a pump? Okay. It's just like a pump. This stuff is so cold. It just got off the truck. Oh, it smells really good. That's kind of a cool product. Let's see, what does it say? Inspired by the natural ingredients used by Australian women for centuries to maintain clear and healthy skin. So, it's got Magorian seed, sea berry, green tea. Cool product. Actually, I think I'm going to use this. This is actually a pretty cool product. $26. So, of course, I get something that I like right when I'm leaving. I may be back. I may be back, Glossybox. Okay, next up from Yenza. This is the Tone Up Primer Essential Glow, a $15 value. It says featured value 15. So is this the full size? Maybe it is. So this is pretty scent free. So it's basically just a primer. It seems like it's got a matte finish on it. Can't really see it too much on my hand. 8 super blacks. This is a cool product, but this is like what I'm getting like a lot of. So then I get confused because I got too many products. Next up from DWTN Paris. Is this supposed to be like downtown? It's like the hip version of downtown. Featured value $25. Is this actually the $25 one? Holy cow, this is a good deal this month. Um, this is basically a highlighter. I do have so many highlighters. That's the one thing that I definitely have a lot of. I could highlight until 2029. But that's a nice product. I gift a lot of this to my mother-in-law, or my mom takes a lot of it. So it doesn't go to waste. Next up from it's a Briogeo. I think it's Briogeo. This is the Don't Despair Repair Strength and Moisture Leave-In Mask. This is a definite plus. I like these. This one smells like coconut. No, it smells like fruit. It's raining down on me. I think it smells like fruit. I don't know why I got coconut at first. Maybe it's a fruity coconut. It definitely smells like orange or something. Now my glasses are covered with stuff. see if I can clean these up really quick because I can't see anything. There's a little bit better. Okay. Finally, I just have a big smudge. Don't you just hate it? Anyone who has the problem of wearing glasses, I don't wear contacts because they just bug me. So, and I've been wearing glasses since I was like 7. So, next up, finally, the Manakandar. This is a Bloom Volumizing Mascara, $29 value. Holy cow. I would never pay $29 for a mascara because I get so many of them. Holy cow, look at this. Like, this is a really fancy schmancy packaging going on here. Let's see, is this a dual end? No, it's not. They've been coming out with some crazy mascaras lately. Oh my gosh, this is kind of a little bit goopy on the end there. This is definitely a fuzzy brush going on there. And I will use this. Like I said, I'm actually, now that I have a ton of mascara at my disposal, I actually have been like going through a new mascara like every 20 days because I'm like, you know what? I got a ton of them anyway. And this way I get to try new products. So that's kind of fun. So anyway, like I said, this is going to be my last Glossybox for a little bit, but holy cow, this is actually a really good box. I would say this thing is probably valued at, we got 30, $56, $60, $70, $89, like almost $100. I would definitely say this is like $100 glossy box. So good job this month. We might come back. I don't know. You know me. I'm always back. So anyway, thank you for watching my Glossybox review. Hit the subscribe button. I got to show you guys this. Check it out. Look what I got in the mail today. Escape to the Tropics. This is a different one. Look, it opens up this way. We get a free gift valued at up to $5.50 this time. So you could get one of those foaming hand sprays. And we got the 20% off coupon. It's kind of interesting that they only gave us 2 coupons this month, but I'm sure there'll be another one coming. So super excited about the coupon. I hope you guys got one. Okay, I'll see you later. Bye-bye.